Let's explore 20 eye-catching styles to restyle your images. At the end, I'll show you how to turn them into awesome videos. Let's go! We start with a visual showcase of 20 stunning styles. After that, I will guide you on how to create them. First method is very simple. You can use ChatGPT. Just upload your image and then describe what you want, like this. Once the image is generated, you can edit it. Click on it. In-paint the part you want to change and type what you want. Sometimes you may see an error like this. It's happened to me several times. But usually starting a new chat or switching to a different account can fix it. It's not perfect, but it works surprisingly well. Another option is using Grok on the X platform. Click on Grok, upload your image, and type in same request. You can use video tools like Halo AI to turn your AI images into videos. Go to the Image to Video section. Upload your image and write a prompt or leave it blank. Then, choose a model and generate videos. In one of my videos, I compared One AI, Kling AI, and Halo AI, so you can check it out to see the differences. And if you want to take a step further and make your characters talk, I've got another video that shows exactly how to do that. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for the next video. See you in the next tutorial.